What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Andrew, and I'm letting my chickens carve my pumpkin for Halloween this year, and we'll see how it turns out. Go back. No, don't peck that part. Okay.
It might be a really holy pumpkin when they get done with it. The way they're acting.
I think
they're starved or something. Go.
They had a big old gap in there already. Right by the tooth.
Chickens are serious.
I think it'll be done by today, maybe.
Yeah, they're going to take those teeth out probably, but...
Yeah, those teeth are going to be gone.
They're excited.
Okay. See all the gaps in it? The white parts?
It's a chicken enrichment program.
Okay. Jeez. Killing it.
Is that all the girls? Or is that everybody?
1, 2. That's 9. Yeah, that's everybody. Y'all leaving already? You? That one right there, behind the rooster. Rooster, no. Eat the pumpkin. Eat the pumpkin. No. No.
Pet him, he doesn't like it.
Yeah, it's true. He hates it. Look at his feathers though, he's pretty. Jeez, I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, those teeth are getting sharp. Oh, they already took out one tooth.
They might have a whole nose and a mouth all in one because
But it's so close.
they're like picking at it, so you know, I think it's gonna be one big glob.
So after 5 hours, this is what my chickens carved for right now. This is day 2 of pumpkin carving with chickens. Well, that's what they did.